Hello everybody and welcome to this video for looseness diagnostic. What is looseness? Looseness when the compound is loose, whatever force are present will be able to move the affected compound much more easily. Looseness can occur at number of locations that affect the vibration measurement. So we want to see what is caused. This looseness is bearing between bearing and shaft or bearing housing or internal bearing clearance or edge fastener structure. So the basic that's improper fastening technique or improper bearing technique installation to be this problem in installation or adjustment or foundation damage excessive. So we have three types of looseness. First, A is structure looseness or weakness, what we see in this pump. This is the first looseness or weakness. The second, mounting B, is cracked structure or beta bearing looseness. We see in the picture B. The third one, we see rotating looseness. If you see the shaft wear or bearing broken or anything happens between bearing and shaft or shaft housing or sleeve of bearing. So we have three types of this looseness. First type, structural weakness. Due to weakness is base plate across with foundation problem. We have only one X vibration on vertical or horizontal. That means we check this spectrum, we see only one on vertical or horizontal because we see if we cannot melange between imbalance and looseness. This is difference, and we see this with the phase. This picture what we show this problem. First, structural weakness. The phase can be used to diagnose this fault also. We can see difference between imbalance and looseness. Like we see this motion, this is motor running and type A, what we see this looseness. The second is crack structure. We have one or two revolution or three revolution. See in the bearing, see this one is a crack or any problem for housing of or pillow block for bearing. We see in spectrum FFC, we see 3 or 4, 3, 1, 2, 3 maximum for diagnostic this problem of crack. The third one, we see this motion, that vibration, and the third one is rotating looseness. This is big measure of this looseness. In rotating looseness, we see only one revolution and other or harmonic. First rotating, after harmonic, and we can see in the housing or in the bearing or in the shaft wear that we are, and this is FFT for detect the problem. Of course, we for confirmation we won't see in the phase, and we see this motion that bearing housing is went out and start to give looseness. We see this flask of bearing. When is worn out, the shaft start to make looseness. So in the end, conclusion, looseness can be indication of poor maintenance practice or high vibration. Rotating looseness generates harmonic, but not every spectrum harmonic indicates looseness. Yes, this point is very important. We must see in the phase if we have looseness or imbalance or other things same. We can measure in FFT and measure the phase every time. Spectrum, time, wave, form, and phase should be used to correctly diagnostic looseness. Thank you very much for seeing this video, and we want to see next time more about maintenance industrial.